Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast of Cooking. How y'all doing? A mighty cold afternoon here. I'm coming right at you. Made that Mississippi pot roast chicken or Mississippi chicken earlier, and I want to show you some things you could do with it. Let me show you what I got here, y'all. I've got one of those already made pizza crust deals. You've seen them, you know, kind of take and bake deal. And what I want to do is take some of my favorite barbecue sauce. Y'all see me use this Sticky Fingers. The Carolina Sweet is pretty much the base for my competition sauces, like I use on my chicken and everything. What we want to do, we're going to use this, y'all, is pretty much the sauce for this pizza, okay? Because it's going to be kind of like a barbecue style chicken pizza, okay? So get that like that. We'll spread it out a little bit with the brush. You don't want too much on there because you don't want this thing to be soggy whatsoever. So you got it just like that, okay? Just roll them out like that. All right, then next, what I want to do is I'm going to take some of that chicken that I've just kind of crumbled up. Okay, that stuff falls right apart, y'all. Really, stuff is so good. And do the chicken like this. I don't want to put it on too thick. And but you want, you know, a good little layer of it, whatnot, you know, just where it meets the sauce here. Piece right there. Man, you could do this with pulled pork too, it'd be amazing. That's what this kind of reminds me of, just because of the coloration this chicken got from the sauces I was using and stuff. Okay. So, alright, so you got your chicken on just like that, okay. Kind of spread it out just a little bit. Then I'm going to go with some cheese, with some mozzarella. It's nice fresh grated mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put that on there. Okay, let's go with that. Oh yeah, that'll be good there. It's just going to melt right there in that chicken and get everything nice and yummy. Okay, then you want to come back with some vegetable. I like some onions. Actually, before I do my onions, I'm going to do some sliced tomato. Okay, and tomato slices I got here. Something like that. You don't have to have too many on there. Again, some onion slices, busted up. Purple onion is what I like on these pizzas. Not just for the flavor, it also gives some nice color, right? You want a nice presentation with the pizza as well. So, put some of the onions on there. I'm going to stick with me here. Purple onion. Okay, just like that. And let me get one more thing I'm thinking. This is a barbecue style pizza. I'm going to take some amazing heavy made products. They're rib rub. And this is a good chicken rub too, but just sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Just a little bit, just to give it a hint with that barbecue style that we're going for. Okay, then we'll come back over with the Carolina Sweet, just kind of, yeah, but just like that. Just like that, okay, just, there we go. Now we're going to put it in the oven here, straight on the rack, and let that bake, okay? Make sure I got the oven preheated to 425. We're going to put it right on the rack there for, it says cook 6 to 7 minutes. Straight on the rack, so that's what we're going to do. Just kind of push them off, just like that. Close it up, let it just run. Alright, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get the pizza out here real quick for you. And I think it's done. It took about 7 minutes or so. Get out here without burning my fingers. Oh yeah, looks beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. So we'll go ahead and let it cool just for a second and we'll cut it. Actually, before we cut, there's a little last touch I like to add to these barbecue pizzas. A little bit of ranch, okay? So I mixed up some ranch here. And really good with just a little ranch drizzled on like that. Oh yeah. We'll drizzle it on both ways. Try to get you a little squeeze ball that works a little better than mine, but you get the idea. Okay, so we're going to get the ranch on there. Then we'll put a little crushed red pepper. Alright, with a flake of crushed red pepper. Oh, and then that bad boy is ready to cut and serve. Alright, let's cut it up real quick. See what we got here. It's crunchy as can be, crust. Right through it there. Go this way. Put a whole tomato in there. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Oh, hope I don't burn myself, I'm gonna grab a paper towel. We're gonna give this a try, y'all. It looks fantastic. Alright. See how it is. Barbecue chicken pizza made with the Mississippi pot roast chicken. Mmm. That's A1 stuff right there now. Oh yeah. You won't be placing out to go orders for some barbecue chicken pizza. No sir. That is delicious. Thank y'all so much. Y'all please like my videos, of course, sub my channel. And y'all check out my second channel if you like the Magnolia Blade and Gun channel in the description box. It really needs some help right now. YouTube trying to cut out some of the smaller channels. But thank y'all so much and I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. God bless. Y'all take it easy and stay tuned for some more. Y'all, just in case you're wondering, this crust is phenomenal. It's a Stonefire authentic flatbread artesian pizza crust. I found it with the bread and stuff in the grocery store. It was like, let's see, $3.99 for 2 of these and it had a $1 coupon. So this stuff is phenomenal.